US life sciences company Illumina Inc. on Tuesday defended its $7.1 billion acquisition of biotech firm Grail Inc., pledging to keep selling its DNA sequencing services to other firms, as it seeks to head off a potential vote by US antitrust regulators to kill the deal. The Federal Trade Commission, which enforces antitrust law, filed a complaint in March 2021 to stop Illumina's bid for its former subsidiary Grail. The agency cited concerns that Illumina, the dominant provider of DNA sequencing for multi-cancer early detection tests, might raise prices or refuse to keep selling to rivals of Grail, which is seeking to market a powerful test to diagnose many kinds of cancer from a single blood test. However, Illumina completed the takeover of Grail in August 2021 without winning regulatory approval from Europe or the United States.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
In September, the FTC's Chief Administrative Law Judge overruled the Commissioner's 2021 vote blocking the deal, allowing it to proceed. Illumina still faces one major US hurdle, the possibility that FTC commissioners vote to overrule the judge. Illumina and Grail would then be able to appeal to a federal appeals court. In a public FTC hearing and in an effort to defend against such a move, Illumina's advocate, attorney David Marriott, said that Illumina had no reason to stop selling to test producers that compete with Grail. Marriott also argued that the Grail test will save lives by allowing early detection of cancers. He also pointed to an offer that the company made to sign contracts to supply any of Grail's rivals and a promise not to raise prices. The FTC's Susan Musser, leading the agency's arguments against the deal, countered that Grail's rivals might have a harder time getting inputs to run their cancer detection tests if the acquisition wins final approval. The deal still faces headwinds in Europe. In Brussels in early December, EU antitrust regulators proposed measures for Illumina to unwind its acquisition of Grail 3 months after blocking the deal on concerns that it would hurt competition. The EU antitrust watchdog is now set to issue a final decision in early 2023. Alright, that's all for this video, but leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and share. For more content, you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine Media.